How to turn on or off emergency alerts on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. In here, search emergency and click on wireless emergency alerts, which will lead you to this page. In here, scroll down and click on wireless emergency alerts again. Then, in here, make sure you turn on allow alerts if you want to allow alerts for all the options like extreme threats, severe threats, amber alerts, test alerts. You can turn on or off as you want from here, but if you want to turn it off, you can simply click on allow alerts and make sure the circle is on the left side, which means it's turned off. This is how to turn on or off emergency alerts on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.